Hey everyone, welcome back. Quick question. When was the last time you checked which apps are connected to your Google account? Chances are you haven't checked this setting in a very long time. Every time you tap continue with Google, an app can be given permission to access certain information from your Google account. The problem is we install apps, try them for a few days, and then forget they even exist. But those apps can remain connected until you remove them. So in this video, I'll show you hidden Google setting that lets you see every app connected to your account, check what access it has, and remove anything you no longer use. Let's do it. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Google. Now tap All Services. Scroll down until you find Connected Apps. Tap it. Right here, you will see every app and service that's currently connected to your Google account. Take a minute to go through the list carefully. Some apps are expected because you choose to sign in with Google, but you may also find apps you haven't opened in months or even years. If this is the case, then ask yourself three simple questions. Do I still use this app? Do I recognize it? Do I still trust it? If the answer is no, then tap the app. You'll see the permissions it has and the information it can access from your Google account. If you don't need it anymore, simply tap Delete All Connections or Remove Access. Tap Confirm. It only takes a few seconds, but it's a great habit to check this page every few months, especially if you regularly use Sign In with Google. Keeping this list clean gives you more control over which apps can access your Google account. Before you leave, go ahead and check your own Google account right now. And I'm curious about you. How many connected apps did you find? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe for more privacy and security tips. Thanks for watching.